Hi everyone, let's understand new concept how we can call a SPSS file in STATA software. So directly we cannot call a SPSS file in STATA software. So what could be the alternate how we can import files in STATA? So first of all, let me open this SPSS file, and this is my SPSS file. Let's say I want to run this file in Stata software, but directly it's not possible to open this file in Stata software. So what we have to do, first of all, we will go here, File, Save As. When you are clicking on Save As, you can see here, this is the file. And let me save this file because I'm not using SPSS latest version. But when you have to use SPSS latest version, so you could find here, there are some options. And here is the last one is Stata version 8 or whatever is your Stata version 6, because I'm using old version. So that is why it's reflecting only Stata version 8. But I'm using actually Stata version 15. So that option is not available here. When I will use Spaces latest version, so that option would be visible over there. So here is, I'm just going to explain you. So let's say I am choosing this Stata version 8. So that will save star dot, this one is the file name dot DTA version file that would save. And here is, I would just change this file name. That would be, let's say I'm saying new, right? And this file is, that would again, here is, I'm going to press save, and now this file is saved. And this file is saved in my that folder where is my this SPSS file is put it. So this file you can see, let me open my this folder, and here is in this folder, because I am using this file from this folder, so I'm sure this .stf file will be saved over here. Let me check. Yes, now you can see this is the file new.dta file. So if I'm not using this one is the version, so there is no use, I cannot open it. So but in your Stata version, you can open this file. So this file will be saved in the same version. Now the next. Next is, suppose I want to use, here is lot of, like in our studio, we were writing script. So this function is very similar to like our studio script writing. So this is the one new do file editor, right? New do file editor. Let me just scroll down this. Now you can see here. This is the option where it is, and let me just click here. When I will open this, I would click here. So this one is the new do file editor that is open, right? So I, first of all, what I will do, I would save this file, right? Save as, let's say, I'm just giving you this file name as, let's say, demonstration. I'm just demonstrating demo of Stata. Let me save this. Now everything would be saved here. So how we will use this file? This one is the demo of Stata. Do file editor. Here is, we will write all the commands. Then there is no need to remember all these commands, and we can directly execute this command in the software. So let's say I'm just writing here. This one is the, here is I'm writing start, and this one is the demo file. Let me give a title of this demo, demo comments, and I will press start. So here is demo commands, that it would not treat it as any command, right? That would be a simple title. So let's say how many, let's say I'm writing edit, this command I had used. I would write, let's say browse, and I would use, let's say one command, we can say where manage, variable manage, right? And let's say I'm using clear, right? For example, right? So if suppose this is the edit, I would select it and I will simply execute section do. And moment I had pressed, last time in my previous video, you have seen when I was writing in the command section, add it. So then this file was opening, means data editor file was opening. But here is in this file, you can see this file is open without giving any command in the command section, right? So that means directly you can execute. Sometimes you do not remember all the commands. So you can put it all the commands here and you can write the description also. Let's say edit. Edit means, let's say I'm writing this command we are using for our information, because why we are using edit, right? After some time, maybe I would forget it. So this command using for data editor to open for to using for data editor that's all. And after that, let's say browse. Up now I want to use this command browse, and let me just execute this. So now you can see data editor browse is open, right? Earlier that was the data editor. Now, after this browse, so let's say here is also, we can write such kind of a statement why we are using browse, right? And here is now we are using, here is where manage, and let me execute. This one is also. So now you can see variable manager is open. I do remember in my previous video, I had already explained you variable manager, how we are going to do labeling, name, and all these things, how we are using. So here is variable manager that is directly open. And now suppose I'm using this clear, and I just want to show you. So all the files clear. Let me open this clear, and now we can see. Let me close this. Yes, because do you want to save these changes as you made a demonstration? I would like to save this, and now all these things are saved, right? So in that way, here is not a single file is here, because I had written clear. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. In the similar manner, we will use other functions also of this data. And in the next video, I would run some specific files. And thank you, and keep watching. Stay tuned.